In my today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a cute flower hair accessory in under 5 minutes. So to make this flower, you are going to use the yarn of your choice. I'm using a 3 size cotton yarn. You are going to need a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook or the size hook according to your yarn. You are also going to need some decorative pearls if you have some. These are 5 millimeter pearls, and you are also going to need a hair clip and a hot glue gun. This flower is a no magic ring flower. So to get started, you want to make a first a slip knot and then chain 4. We are going to slip stitch into the very first chain to close into a ring, and we are going to use this ring to work our petals in. Start off by making a chain of 3. Working into the ring, make 3 treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, you are yarning over twice and then go into the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we need to do this 2 more times. Into the ring, yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2. One more time. We want to have a total of 3 treble crochets. Then you are going to chain 3 again and slip stitch into your ring. And this is your first petal. So we want to have a total of 5 petals. I'm going to show you one more time how to make the petal. So chain 3, make 3 treble crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch into your ring. The second petal. Repeat this 3 more times. Once you've made your 5 petals, you are going to chain 1, fasten off, and pull your yarn through. And this is the flower. Go ahead and tie 2 knots. Now take your hair clip and put some hot glue to your hair clip, and then take the flower, press this on, and if you have a pearl, put this into the middle and wait some minutes, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to be subscribed to my channel for more beginner friendly tutorials. Bye!